Hey guys, today we are going to make butter cookies.
Yes.
Yes. And now I'm going to just turn it.
Oh.
And now it's soft.
So I'm gonna put the butter in here.
Now we need 1 cup of sugar. No, half of a cup of sugar. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yep, add it to the butter.
Into the bowl.
Mix. We have to mix.
Yes, mixing.
Now put it in the, put it in the bowl. You got it. Try some paper. We need to put it inside.
Yeah.
Do you wanna do it?
Sure.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is like a roll. Oh. Yeah, it's fine.
I don't know.
Do you think it's enough?
Maybe just a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, now.
We had the tap. Put it.
Yep.
We also need this. Oh, I think oops, the other way.
Ready?
Go.
Let's see if this thing works. Right?
Yeah.
It works. Wait. I like it.
Yes.
Perfect.
So we are done making the cookies. I don't want to touch it because it's hot. Oh, we have another one of cookies batch because, like I said, there was leftovers. And that's how we make butter cookies. Yeah.
Good. Good. What about you, Sissy?
I don't know.
¿No te gusta? I like it. They're soft.
I think what can I do?